Do you want to live to be 100 and healthy the whole time, or pretty much the whole time? I bet you do. I'm Tom Zanton, and today I'm going to tell you how to increase your chances of living a long life, living a healthy life, and the answer, I think, lies in something that something out of the traditional Okinawan diet. If you don't know Okinawa is one of what's called the blue zones. They're the places in the world where people are most likely to live to 100, and Okinawa is the best studied of all these places, and it's the longest lived population in recorded history, basically. Very, very low rates of heart disease and cancer and all these things, and people regularly live well into their 80s and 90s and 100s. So what are they doing that's different from everyone else? Well, there are a lot of things. A lot of people focus on the fact that they eat a mostly plant-based diet. But I think that focusing on the type of plant they're eating the most might actually give us a better idea, because it's not just that they're eating a mostly plant-based diet. Lots of places people are eating mostly plant-based diets, or lots of people are eating mostly plant-based diets. But what were Okinawans doing differently on their traditional diet? Unfortunately, their diet is a little bit westernized now, so it's a little bit different. But on their traditional diet, what were they eating that was different from everywhere else that gave them such a boost to their health and longevity? And it turns out that on the traditional Okinawan diet, they got 69% of their calories, over 2/3 of their calories, from orange and purple sweet potatoes, which is like mind-blowing to get 2/3 of your calories from sweet potatoes. But I don't think it's that surprising that they were that healthy because of it, because I think humans are made to eat root vegetables, and if you eat a ton of root vegetables, you will be healthy. You will find it a lot easier to be healthy, just like the traditional Okinawans. The reason I think that humans are made to eat root vegetables, there are several, but one quick thing. Human breast milk actually feeds one specific group of bacteria to an absurd degree. There are specific gut bacteria that human breast milk feeds, and then infants who are breastfed go on to have like 90% of this type of gut bacteria in their gut. It's called bifidobacteria. So other than human breast milk, what feeds bifidobacteria? You would assume that human breast milk is perfectly evolved to feed humans in the way that we need it. So what other foods beyond breast milk feed bifidobacteria, this type of gut bacteria that's found naturally in humans? And it turns out that starch and inulin feed bifidobacteria really, really well. And starch and inulin are both found in abundance in root vegetables, which I think is interesting. It kind of makes me think, hey, maybe this is a sign that if human breast milk feeds this one type of gut bacteria and root vegetables feed this one type of gut bacteria, maybe humans are made to eat root vegetables in order to feed human-specific gut bacteria. Just like cows are made to eat grass because cows have grass-eating gut bacteria in their guts. Maybe humans are made to eat root vegetables because we have root vegetable-eating gut bacteria in our guts. So to me, that makes it really easy to understand, like, oh, well, how are they eating this many calories from, how are the Okinawans eating this many calories from root vegetables and then being that healthy? Because we're made to eat root vegetables. They were just eating what we're made to eat. And they had some other healthy behaviors as well. But I think the big one, the obvious one, is the fact that they were getting over 2/3 of their calories from root vegetables, which I would argue are the foods that we're made to eat. So if you take anything from the lesson of the traditional Okinawans, I think you should take this, that we're made to eat root vegetables, and it will help you live a longer, healthier life. If you have any questions or comments, think I missed something, I'm trying to make this short, so I'm sure I did. Please be sure to leave a comment below. If you want more videos like this, please be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And always remember to eat your root vegetables. Thank you.